Hello all, welcome to my channel Tech Research, and in today's video I'm going to share you a new website or a new online platform where you can create your own GIF, or you can even use the GIFs for free in your blogs or websites or in any videos. So let's see what is the new platform, that is LottieFiles, practically in today's video. So write LottieFiles.com on internet browser and click on the first link. So this is the home page for LottieFiles. You must have heard GIF, which is a very popular platform for GIFs, but this is a new upcoming LottieFiles platform which is available for different GIFs, and it is very popular and growing faster nowadays, and their GIFs are really amazing and they are a lot worth to download and use them in different blogs or videos or making any websites. So let's discover what all there for Lottie GIF. The first thing which I would like to show you in this LottieFiles is what are the different designs that they have for GIFs. So let's discover the free animations they have. So you can see, if you're looking for something for related to food or like for telegram message or something, just to pop up your subscribe channel button, you can use these GIFs. These are very common, very unique. You can just download them for free. The other one, you can also search for your animation GIFs. Like for example, I'm looking for something related to food. You can search related to food and you can see the wonderful different animations or GIF pop up related to food. We can also create or sign up for free using Lottie GIF. Let's say continue with Google, and I'll just use my Google account to continue. So you just have to write down some user experience. How do we best identify you? You can say like developer, marketer, skilled or other, or you can just say other, whatever suits to your best. Just describe your role, user, and let's go. So this is the different ways they have, the different things what you find. For example, if I want to write something related to online blogs, can you see it is just popping up with different animations, unique collection they have. It is very wonderful and super. And also one more thing, these are paid ones, but you can always find the free ones over here. The next unique thing what I would like to show you is how you can create your own Lottie file and you can use it for selling, or you can create for your public GitHub repositories, which can be made available for the contribution. So let's add some Lottie animations to web. For example, if we are searching for something which we can embed or generate the code, so you just have to use this LottieFiles. Here is the HTML code what they have, or the JSON code, and you can use this in your web animations. And one more thing is you can create your own LottieFiles without having any Adobe effects or any integration, which I haven't tried personally, but definitely you can use these plugins if you are a creative user, web developer, where you want to use something animation in your website, some kind of animation in your website. Definitely I would like to create for yourself using this different plugins and integrations. In this way, friends, you can always find the recent one which you liked and just say download, and you're ready to use that particular downloaded file on your blogs and websites. Stay tuned with me to see how you can use LottieFiles GIFs on your online blogs. I'll come up in next video for how to use LottieFiles GIF in online blogs or websites. Thanks for watching. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.